Hello everyone, welcome to the video on non-aqueous titration. In this video, we will explain various types of solvent used in non-aqueous titration, then various indicators used in non-aqueous titration, and finally some demo MCQ on this topic. It is very important topic for GPAT as well as NIPER and other pharma competitive exam. Many time questions are asked on this topic. So let's start. There are total four types of solvents used in non-aqueous titration. First is a protic solvent, second protogenic solvent, third is protophilic solvent, and last is amphoteric solvent. So let's discuss one by one. First is aprotic solvent. Aprotic solvents are those solvents which do not donate or accept the proton. They are neutral in nature. As the name indicates, in aprotic, protic means proton and A, which means this type of solvents does not accept or donate the proton. Example of aprotic solvent is carbon tetrachloride, benzene and chloroform. These all the solvents does not accept or donate the proton. Next is protogenic solvent. Protogenic solvents are acidic in nature because they donate the proton. Proto means proton and genic means generate or donate. Protogenic means proton generate or proton donate. So it is called acidic and used to dissolve the basic analyte. Example of protogenic solvents are HCl, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, glacial acetic acid. All these are acids and they donates the proton. So it is called protogenic solvent. The glacial acetic acid. What is meaning of glacial acetic acid? The glacial acetic acid means those acetic acid have purity of 99.99%. Next type of non-aqueous solvent is protophilic solvent. As the name indicates, protophilic. Proto means proton and philic means loving, which means those solvents which have ability to accept the proton. So it is basic in nature and they used to dissolve acidic analyte. Example are pyridine, ethylene diamine, DMF, dimethyl formamide. These all are the basic in nature. They accept the proton but does not donate proton. So it is called protophilic solvent. Last type of non-aqueous solvents are amphoteric solvent. As the name indicates, amphoteric, which means the solvents have property to donate or accept the proton. They either donate or accept the proton and used to dissolve both acidic as well as basic analytes. Examples are alcohols, methanol and ethanol. Here water is not example. Only alcohol, methanol, ethanols are amphoteric solvents which have property to donate as well as to accept the protons. So next is indicator used in non-aqueous titration. Crystal violet, oracid blue B, alpha naphthol benzene and quinaldine red are some examples of indicators used in non-aqueous titration. So let's discuss some MCQ on this topic. First is which of the following is protogenic solvent? What is protogenic solvent? Proto means proton and genic means generates. So this type of solvents generate the proton and acidic in nature. Option A is ammonia. Ammonia is basic in nature. They have the property to accept the proton. So it is called protophilic solvent, not protogenic solvent. Option C is benzene. Benzene is neutral in nature. That does not accept or donate proton. So it is called aprotic solvent. And Option D is ethanol. Ethanol is a alcohol which has ability to accept or donate proton. So it is amphoteric solvents and not a protogenic solvent. And option B is a correct option because it has the property to donate the proton, so acidic in nature. So your correct option is glacial acetic acid, which is protogenic solvent. Next question is, which of the following is aprotic solvent? What is aprotic solvent? Aprotic solvent means those solvent does not donate or accept the proton. Option A is HCl. HCl is acidic in nature. They have proton and donate the proton, so it is a protogenic solvent. Second option is acetic acid. Acetic acid is also acid. They donate proton, so it is called protogenic solvent. Option D is methanol, which has ability to donate as well as accept the proton, so it is called amphoteric solvent. And option C is correct option. Chloroform is aprotic solvent because it does not donate or accept the proton, so correct option is chloroform.